Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, you're going to learn how to make sky more dramatic in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by activating the quick selection tool from the toolbar, then hit select subject in the options bar. Bring in a curves adjustment layer and the marching ant selection will automatically be applied as a layer mask. Bring the curves line up a bit to increase the brightness of the statue. Then duplicate the background layer and drag the background copy layer to the top of the layer stack. Use the Ctrl or Command I shortcut to invert it, then right click and convert to Smart Object so we can apply a filter. Go to the filter menu and choose Gaussian Blur from the blur dropdown. Enter 60 pixels for radius, then change the blend mode to color burn. Reduce the fill value to 60%, then hold the Alt or Option key and click and drag the layer mask from the curves layer to the background copy layer. Activate the layer mask, then use the Ctrl or Command I shortcut to invert it. Duplicate the background layer one more time and drag it to the top of the layer stack. Reduce the fill value to 50%, then hold the Alt or Option key and drag the layer mask from the background copy layer to the background copy 2 layer. Change the blend mode of the background copy 2 layer to overlay. Finally, let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.